Hey, what is up people? I'm back with another video. I would like to show you a nice king hunt game. It was played in 1872 by Emanuel Schniffers. And who is Emanuel Schniffers? Emanuel Schniffers was the Russian champion for more than 10 years. So he was a pretty strong player of the 1800s. So let's check out this game. The opening is Ivan's Gambit. The variations of the game are complex, but I will try to keep it as simple as possible. White starts with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5, the Gayako piano. And now here white has many options like c3, d3. In the game, white played this move b4, gambiting the pawn. This is called the Ivan's Gambit. Bishop cross b4, and now the obvious plan, which is c3, attacking the bishop, bishop c5. White castled here first. We have d6, opening the light square's bishop diagonal, and now d4, attacking the bishop, e cross d4, c cross d4, bishop b6, knight c3, and in this position black played the move knight a5. He wants to get rid of that strong light square bishop. So what to do now? Perhaps bishop to d3 comes to mind, as the light square bishop is very strong and we should preserve that. Here white played bishop g5, attacking the queen. At first it looks as a blunder because after f6 the bishop on g5 is under attack and also the c4 bishop is also under attack. Bishop h4 by black. If let's say black captures knight cross c4, then after queen a4 check, white will regain the piece. So white is not losing a piece, and now white's dark square bishop is developed on a very active square. The good move for black was to actually capture the bishop on c4. Here black played knight h6, developing the knight. And now as black king is still in the center and we have castled, so the principal says we should open the center. So e5, trying to open the center. Here black replied to attack with attack. He played g5, attacking the bishop. And now what would you play if you had white pieces? To move the bishop on g3 or to play something else? Is there a good move? If your opponent creates a threat, you should create a bigger threat than that. So here white played the move knight cross g5, sacrificing the knight. But the knight can't be captured, as after f cross g5 there is queen h5 check. If king goes to the f8 square, then queen cross h6 check, and white is winning in this position. Let's say king goes to the e7 square, then comes e6 check. If king goes e7, then bishop takes g5 will win the queen. And if king goes to the c6 square, then bishop b5 is checkmate. So let's go back. Knight cross g5 was played in the game. Here after knight cross g5, let's say if black captures knight cross c4, then again queen h5 check is coming. King f8, then queen cross h6 check. If king goes to the e7 square, then e cross f6 check, opening up the e file, and then our rook can also join the attack and you can create win from this position. Let's say if king goes d7, then e6 check will come, and after king e7, there is knight d5 check, king f8, and now the move e7, forking the king and the queen. So black loses his queen. He replied to attack with an attack. He played bishop g4, attacking the queen. And now we have reached the critical position of the game. What would you play if you had white pieces? White played an amazing move here. He played the move e cross f6, sacrificing the queen. If not accepting the sacrifice, then e file is open and rook e1 check is coming next. So black was forced to capture the queen, bishop cross d1, and now not capturing the bishop with the rook, rather rook e1 check. The king has two squares, king f8 and king e7. If king f8, then knight e6 check will fork the king and the queen. After knight e6 check, if king f7, then knight cross d8 comes with a double check. If knight e6 check and king e8, then knight cross d8 and king cross d8 and f7 check from the bishop, king d7, rook e7 check, king c8. Although there is not immediate win, but white is winning in this position, the engine evaluates this position as +8 for white. So coming to this position, after rook e1 check, black did not want to part with his queen, so he played the move king d7, trying to escape. If black escapes from all this, then he is a queen up and he can win this easily. Let's see what happens. King d7, bishop e6 check, and now again if the king goes to the e file, then after bishop h3 discover check from the rook, king is forced to go to the f8 square, and then again the same variation will come. Then knight e6 will fork the king and the queen, so king c6, and now we have to hunt the king. So d5 check, the only square for the king is to come forward, and that is on the c5 square. And now knight g e4 check, bringing the king in our territory, king c4, and now white captured rook cross d1. As the black king is in white's territory, so white captured the bishop on d1 and is asking black to make a move. Black played the move bishop d4, and now rook a b1, controlling the b file, not allowing the king to go to the b file. Here we have bishop cross c3, but not capturing with the knight. White played rook dc1, pinning the bishop. Next move he will capture with the rook. Here black is out of moves. He played rook g8, and there is a forced mate from here now. You can pause the video and try to find the forced mate from here. Ready? And the move starts with rook cross c3 check, king d4, the only move, and now rook b4 check. Here black blocked with the knight, knight c4, rook b cross c4 check, king e5, only move, and now f4 check, throwing all to the black king, king cross f4, which was forced, and now comes ng5 check. It is checked from the rook. Again, the only move is king e5, and now the final move, that is rook e4. Is that a checkmate? No, it is not a checkmate, as the king can go to the f6 square. So the final move from white is knight f3 mate. Now the pawn is guarded by the bishop. Look at this king hunt, guys. What a brilliant king hunt it was. The black king is centered and surrounded with all the white pieces. Both the rooks, both the bishops, and the knight is checkmating the black king. I hope you liked this game. In the end, a puzzle for you. It is white to play, and I will wait for your answer in the comment section.
Suck me in, smile, breathe me